Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Teachable course payments step by step clearly. To authenticate with Teachable course payments, start by logging into your Teachable account. Navigate to the admin area from the account dashboard. In the admin area, locate and click on the settings option in the sidebar. Within settings, find and select the payments tab. Review the payment methods available to you, such as credit cards or PayPal. Choose your preferred payment method and click on the Connect button next to it. Follow the prompts to link your chosen payment method to your Teachable account. If you are linking a PayPal account, you will be redirected to the PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal credentials and authorize Teachable to access your account. For credit card payments, you may need to enter additional information about your business. Fill out the required fields, including business name and address. After completing the form, click on the Save button to store your payment settings. Return to the Payments tab to confirm that your payment method has been successfully linked. To test your payment setup, create a sample course and set a price. Once the course is created, use a test account to attempt a purchase. Verify that the payment processes successfully and that you receive a confirmation. Congratulations, your Teachable course payments are now authenticated and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.